Okay, let me warn you, if you go in this cage, I am putting you in this cage. So don't invade this cage. This is not yours. You guys think that you can just like own the whole place? You need to go back to your cage and have your breakfast. Seriously. Seriously. Cinnamon, Sage, come on. Look at the cuteness. Don't you go in that cage. Don't you go in there. I'm telling you right now. Look at you looking around. Sage, what are you doing? The little chicken. Your little chicken legs. Yeah, don't you wish that you could grab onto plastic? It's just not going to work. You're going to actually have to fly up there. Ginger's like, no. No. Look at you getting all creative. Don't worry, guys. You're locked in. She can't get in and invade your territory. You can't have their food. Go back to your cage, Sage, and go get your own. Come on. Oh, you're so devilish today. My goodness. Nope, not gonna happen. A for effort, though. No, she's not gonna get in, don't worry. She's little chickens are like, what? They're worried. Good job, Coco. You did it. You got her away. Well done. You're the boss. Totally the boss. Sage, cage. Let's go. Cinnamon, not nap time. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Come on, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna go. I'm hungry. I need lunch. It's a Quaker party. These little cuddle bunnies are doing their little morning cuddle. She's snuggling.